What's up YouTube? It's your boy KG back at it with another video. I didn't post a video last week just because I didn't get anything. It wasn't nothing to talk about, wasn't nothing to post. So I ain't posting anything, you know. But today, you know, I got this huge box in from Nike. Huge box in from Nike. If you know, you know. If you don't, then you'll find out in a second. Like, that's just how it go. I gotta be like easily one of the luckiest guys on Nike, like for real. Especially I got it with just one sneakers account. Like I gotta be the luckiest guy, if not like close to the luckiest guy. Like it seems like I hit on everything. The only things I didn't hit on over the past 2 or 3 drops on sneakers, like hype drops on sneakers, are the 2 up pair off whites. I didn't hit on those. But outside of that, it seems like I've hit on pretty much everything. So, hey, I can't complain. Okay, I'm feeling this box. Like, this is not your typical, this is not your typical Nike box. It's a peach, orangey type of color. Oh, I didn't even notice the writing on the top of it. So, you got Fear Guide in like super small font right here. You're not gonna be able to see it. I'm not even gonna try to show it to you. You got a little small Nike swoosh on this side. You got another swoosh on this side, real small. You're not gonna be able to see it. Like I'm not even gonna try to show you. You got I can't even talk. You got the label right here. What does it say on it though? Nike Air Shoot Around, size 12, USD $395. But that's funny to say $395 because I only paid $300 for it. Okay then. Black. That's what the colorway is. Black on black on black. It's funny to say $395 because I did not pay $395 for this shoe, and that's kind of funny because it ain't like the shoe was on sale. Like it wasn't a discount on that. I got it on release day, like the day it dropped. Unless they sent me the wrong shoe. Now if they sent me the wrong shoe, you know, that's on them. Ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm trying to see how much I paid for it. Yeah, definitely paid $395. Anyways, it's the box. You have to lift it up, so you have to lift the top off of it. So yeah, we're not gonna be able to experience this together. I'm sorry, y'all. Maybe we can though. Let's see. I can finesse it. Yeah, all right. I got the top of it off. So, whoa, come with this, bro. What is this? Is this like a tote? Okay, bro. And it's like a weird feeling tote at that. Smells good though. Like, maybe it's like well, it got a Nike on the, bro. Okay, hold on y'all. Let me get it together. Hey, you can see the swoosh. It's a swoosh right here on the front side of it. On one side I should say. And then on the other side, it says Air Fear of God on it. Let me see if I can, so y'all can see it. Right there a little bit. You can see it a little bit. It's kind of hard, but it says Air Fear of God on it. And it's like behind the mesh. It's like this bag is like double layered. I don't know what it's for though. I don't know what this is. It feels like on the Sixes. The Sixes has the shoe lock. That's what this feels like. Feel like it's 2 of them in there, and then it feels like it's a coin, a tag or something on the inside in this bag. Swoosh on this side, Air Fear God on that side. I slipped on want to open the bag, but we'll find out what's in there in a minute. Okay, so more paper. They're individually wrapped. Well, okay then. That makes it even better. So you definitely paid for a lot of packaging on this. Oh wow. Okay, so the shoe is in a bag. The shoe is in a bag itself. So like you actually got to cut this bag open to get to it. So I'm pretty sure if you're reselling, for all my people that's gonna buy resale, ask them is the bag closed? Cause if the bag isn't closed, don't pay over resale. That's how I feel. Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. You don't have to open it. The bag is already open. Take all that back. Take all that back. Cause the bag is already open. I thought the bag was locked. Ah, it smells good. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so this material is like the same material on the little tote bag. It's like a mesh, and then it's like a lining up under it. Yo, these are fire though. Different, very different. Don't get me wrong, very, very, very different. But they are fire. I don't know. The new shoes just smell so good to me. Okay, let me stop. Let me stop feeding and foaming at the mouth. So as you can see, you got your black upper. I'm talking about just all black, like black on black on black with the upper, like black swoosh that hooks around. Black swoosh on this side. You got a black swoosh in the front right here. Any more swooshes? That's all the swooshes. You got your lace lock on the back. This lacing system is gotta be crazy. Anyways, you got a zipper on the back, which you got a zipper on the back. If it like, you just not gonna zip down? Okay, or whatever. You got this beefy strap. Like that's a beefy strap, bro. I don't know. That's some real Velcro, boy. Cause that took a little strength to get out, boy. Okay, there we go. Okay, you got this zipper on the back right here that actually zips up and down. You got the strap around, boom. That's really it as far as the upper. The bottom you just got a white midsole, white outsole, a little clear a blue clear hue to the air bubble. I'm gonna say, yeah, this is definitely an air bubble down here. What I call it air bubble? It's an air unit. I don't know what type of air unit, but it's an air unit. On the side of it, it says air field guide, and then you got some code on it on the bottom of it, like a serial code. I would guess it is. You got fear guide on the back of the shoe. You got a swoosh on the bottom of the shoe. And let me see if I can show y'all this fear guide. I don't know if it'll pick it up. It's kind of hard to pick up. But it does say it's fear guide, like right here. It's a pretty smooth shoe. I don't understand the price point. I will say that. But it is a smooth shoe. And then if I would have had the other version with the cage on it, probably be a lot more easy to walk around in it, and people be like, "Oh, cool, what is that?" With this one, it's like a regular Nike shoe almost. I feel like it's like a Hyperdunk. No, I don't have my Hyperdunks, but I feel like it's just a Hyperdunk, like a upscale version of a Hyperdunk. And that's not the diss Hyperdunk or anything, cause I like Hyperdunks. I own Hyperdunks, but that's what I feel like this is. Man, like I just want to see what's in this bag. I'm gonna just open it up, cause like I'm not gonna resell the shoe. I'm pretty sure. We got some jewelry in here. Oh, a hang tag. Okay. I told you those was shoe locks. Those look better. For this price though, let me check out something, because for this price on this shoe, it better have a second pair of shoelaces in it. For this price. Show y'all these real quick though. Get my face out of there. I don't know if it'll show up on camera. It probably won't, but it should say Airfield guide on that side. I'm pretty sure it says. Yeah, Air Frill got on that side, and then you got just swoosh on the back side. Clean hang tag. Clean. It's like in a. Oh, and they got that same. Oh, I guess that's how you match your shoe up with the hang tag. I bet that's like a serial number for the shoe, and that's how you match your shoes up to make sure you got the right one. Is not a fake. That's clever. Okay, so what this is. Alright. You definitely not gonna see this, but on the flat surface right here, it got Werner 18 on it. And on the top half of it, of the flat surface, it got the serial number, which that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it a serial number because it says SN, so I'm assuming that's a serial number. That matches the shoe. So for all my resellers, for all my people who's buying resale, now listen to this information. If you buy a resale and they don't have this hang tag in there, don't buy the shoe. Like, don't buy it for over retail. Heck, I wouldn't even buy it for close to retail. If this hang tag isn't in there, I wouldn't even buy the shoe for close to retail because you probably got a fake. I'm just tell you like that now. You probably got a fake. But if they do got their hang tag in there, check the hang tag and match the serial number with the hang tag with the shoe. Okay, I guess that was their way of showing you how to authenticate the shoe for yourself or whatever. They got clear. This was what was in a little silver little bag. It's clear lace locks. They give you 2 of them, and like they kind of dope because you can kind of see the springs on the inside of it. So that's kind of cool, and it gives the shoe a different little factor. It gives it a little bit of pop without giving it actually too much pop. You know. Without taking away from the shoe, I should say. Get into this other shoe. Okay, yeah, y'all tripping because yeah, y'all tripping because y'all could have put a pair of laces in, another pair of laces in here. Just being honest, like the black laces are cool, but y'all could have gave us a white pair or orange pair or anything, you know. For the price we paid for these, 1, 2, 3 pair of laces would have been, I mean, not 1, 2, 3, 4 pair of laces would have been nice for the price. I don't know if you can tell, but on the inside of the shoe, it's orange. Get some of that light in there. It's hard to tell, but it's an orange peach color. Well, actually, it's peach. It's the same color as the box. Like, see, they could have put a pair of laces in that color, a lace lock in that color. They could have put laces in. They could have put laces and lace locks that match the laces. They could have put, I said that all wrong, I feel like. They could have put a pair of laces and a pair of lace locks that matches the laces together, and it could have been easily that this peach color or a blue color or a white color. And I honestly, personally, I think they could have did all 3. Like, everybody's, because in my opinion, that's what Off-White does well. You pay, and then you're not paying crazy prices. This was a crazy price, okay? I'm gonna just be honest. That was a crazy price. You paying Nike prices with the Off-Whites, and you getting 3 pair of laces. You know, you getting the pair that's in the shoe and 2 extra pair or whatever. I mean, the hang tag is cool, but I get a zip tie with the Off-Whites. I mean, I'm just being honest, and you get the little Ross tag, which I call it, that little other little tag that's on there. And if you got, do one of them? Maybe that was all for his hang tags, but you got 3 pair of laces. Okay, you got some lace locks. Cool. But give me a pair of laces. You can keep the lace locks. I could keep the black laces, lace locks on there. You know, we ain't hurt nothing. These little clear joints are fire. Don't get me wrong, they're fire. But give me an extra pair of laces for the price. You know, the packaging is dope. I'm not complaining at all. The packaging is dope. I'm just saying, give me an extra pair of laces. Like, it's not gonna kill you for the price we paid. It's a nice pad on the inside of this shoe. Like, bro, this might be a good basketball shoe. No joke, because man, my KDs are tough on the inside. That knit, like, you would think knit would be soft on the inside. Man, that knit is hard on the inside, bro. But these are soft on the inside. I dig that. Nike basketball, y'all need to implement this softness on the inside of y'all shoes, like the ones we really gonna hoop in. But like, yeah, the bottom of the shoe, I mean to tell y'all, just like a Hyperdunk, if if I could find, where are my Hyperdunks at? I think they in my car, and I'm not about to go out there in my car right now. Nah, that's dead. But man, I might take a picture of something and post it or grab a picture of a bottom of a pair of Hyperdunks. That's like the bottom of a Hyperdunk. This also is like the bottom of a Hyperdunk. And I know y'all probably think I'm tripping, but I'm definitely not tripping. Like, I feel like it's a beefed up version of a Hyperdunk. And I don't know what people getting Yeezy boot from. Like, it doesn't remind me of a Yeezy boot at all. Like, the Yeezy boot is like not the, I keep saying Yeezy boot. What it is, the 750, I think that's what it's called. The 700. No, that's the 700. So it got to be 750. The 750. Y'all know the ugly joints, the Uggs. Them joints. This shoe don't remind me of that. This shoe remind me more of a Hyperdunk. To be honest with you, I understand where y'all drawing a comparison from, because it's a tall, like, you got beefy type of midsoles and it's tall or whatever, but that shoe is more of a boot, and it's like just dressy type of wear or whatever, like that high-end fashion dressy type of wear stuff. This is a whole sneaker. Like, this is a whole basketball shoe. Like, you probably can drop 30 on somebody's head in these, like, easily, and do it in style and comfort. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about that. I mean, like, I get it because it's a tall shoe, but that's what it stops at. It's a tall shoe. Anyways, that's all I got for y'all. Like, okay, trip y'all out real quick though. I just bought these for 29 bucks. No, 22 bucks. $105 pair of shoes, boot. Like, it's a $120 boot for 22 bucks at the outlet. Go check your local outlet. You might find a steal. That was random. That looked more like a Yeezy boot than this shoe though. That's why I was going with that. Anywho, that's all I got for y'all. What's on the inside of this shoe? Oh, that's the zipper. I'm like, I kept hearing something rattling. I'm like, what is on the inside of this shoe? But yeah, that's all I got for y'all, YouTube. The Nike Air Freedom Guide, the shoot around version. The cage version is dope as well. Like, I slick thought I had got both of them. Like, I thought I hit a double up again like I did with the blazer, with the off-white blazers. I legit thought I'd double up. That'd have been nice if I could have. That would have been nice if I could have. Been a whole broke boy out here for about 4 days, but I tell you, I ain't gonna lie, I probably would have wound up selling one of them. Probably would have wound up selling this one and kept the one with the cage on it, probably. But these are dope, just like the ones on the cage. If you caught, bro, straight, hey, if you caught, shout out to you. If you couldn't caught, boy, resale. Ooh, if you bought resale on that first day, I think that second day, when they would tax for like $8 to $1,000. Ooh. Cause they only going for like $5 now, I think. So I'm pretty sure price of wheels kind of shoot back up though after like when people actually get pairs in their hand, and you know, cause you know, it's gonna be some cats that's gonna put them things on feet today. Like, if they ain't get them, if they got them, unless they got them early, you know. Bet money somebody already put them on feet. I just put it like that, just like the regular everyday Joe. Alright, this zipper is trash though in the back, okay? Like, man, y'all can, bro, like, all that money y'all can put no, what them YKK zippers on it? I could have put some of them YKK zippers on it. I think that's what it's called, YKK. Could be YK zippers, I don't know. It's something like that, on the beefy zippers. They could have put a beefier zipper on there, cause that joke is trying to get it up. Anyways, that's all I got for y'all. I'm just rambling now. I'm just happy I got the shoe or whatever. Y'all forgive me. Y'all know how it be some days. I ain't made a video in a while, so I gotta talk to my people. Gotta see how y'all doing, man. Gotta let y'all know how I'm doing, you know. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all, man. Catch y'all in the next video.